Hey all, this is Kalamsundaram K. Welcome to Programmer Polyglot. Today we will be seeing how to create a simple chat application using FastAPI and WebSockets. FastAPI is a modern fast web framework for building APIs using Python 3.7 based on standard Python type hints. WebSocket provide a way to open a persistent connection between the client and server and are really ideal for the applications that require real-time communication, such as chat applications. The prerequisites we need it for basic knowledge of Python and web development, Python 3.7 install on your machine, familiarity with FastAPI and WebSockets is a plus. Setting up the project. You will be going through the commands like mkdir and cd, which is basic commands for creating a file and locating the same file. Next, create a virtual environment and activate it using env file. Install the FastAPI and UVCon as an ASGA server using pip install command. Create the FastAPI. Import the necessary libraries like FastAPI, WebSocket, WebSocket disconnect. Create a FastAPI function. Under the class manager, create two functions, connect and disconnect, which you will be using for connecting the FastAPI and disconnecting the API. You will be creating another function similar to FastAPI's connection manager, which you will be managing the entire WebSocket with given respective client ID. You will be handling exceptions using try and except. By creating a while loop, you will be creating a WebSocket. As of now, the backend ends. You will be running the application using UVCon. Building a front end. You can use HTML and XML as a front end. I am using HTML as a front end for me. So the title will be FastAPI chat. So you will be creating messages which will be document.getElement chat and respective div. Function will be send message, which will be sending the message. When the message is received, the messages will be updated. The HTML file setups a simple chat interface with an input box and a send button. When the user sends a message, it will be transmitted to the server via the WebSocket. Open the HTML to test the chat application. So the broadcasted messages to all connected clients in real time. So I hereby conclude the podcast. So thank you for being here and hear my podcast. We will be going through more technologies which will be not similar to one another. Thank you.